2. First 2 long accents, followed by 3 short accents. In flamenco, there is an unusual way of counting this grouping which begins not with the 1, but rather with the 12. First, I would like to introduce you to this way of counting that is absolutely necessary for playing the Buleria. A helpful teaching aid here is using an analogy of a clock face. If you divide the clock face in half vertically, you mark the 12 and 6. Then, if you divide the right half in 3 equal parts, you mark the 3. Now divide the left half in 3 equal parts, and you will mark the 8 and 10. Now set the clock in motion, accenting all marked numbers, and you arrive at the accent pattern for the Buleria. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The modern Buleria utilizes a variation of this accent pattern, whereby the accent on 6 is moved to the 7. This variation sounds much more syncopated and interesting, but at the beginning is somewhat more difficult to learn. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In the last step of development, some strokes in the left hand get accented by playing a tone instead of the corresponding tip. In the rhythm of the traditional Buleria, these additional accents are on the 1 and, 4 and, 7 and, 9 and 11 and. 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 11, and 12, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 10, and 12. In the rhythm of the modern Buleria, these strokes would be on the 1 and, the 4 and, the 6 and, the 9 and the 11 and. 9, 10, 11, and 12, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 11, and 12, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 9, and 10, and 11, and 12. I would like to show you a second phrasing possibility that is often applied in rock and pop music. You reach this phrasing by slightly changing the distance of time between your hands. The right hand stays constant and beats all uneven numbered sixteenths in a bar, for example 1, 3, 5, etc. The left hand plays all even numbered sixteenths, for example 2, 4, 6, etc. The left hand now plays all of its strokes somewhat later, namely on the last beat of a 16th triplet. Of course, the amount of time between the two hands is no longer the same. More time elapses before the stroke with the left, as does before the stroke with the right hand. Utilizing this phrasing with our rock rhythm starts to create kind of a swing. This is the way the rhythm sounded before. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is how it sounds utilizing the other phrasing.